Hello friends, today I am reviewing the Explorer refillable leather journal by Endless. So this is practically a soft cover leather sleeve that holds a storyboard large notebook along with a pen loop. So after the brief introduction, let's dwell deeper into the specifics. Endless is a Chennai based company that makes some really good TR notebooks and storyboard journals, and now they've come up with a new offering that is, to no surprise, a very well crafted product with many things to it that have been pretty well thought of. First of all, the box. Now, I don't really like to talk much about the cases of products, as they are always kind of throwaway things which rarely find usage once the product has been removed from them. But the same cannot be said about Endless products. Now, we've seen the Endless recorders. They come in a good linen pouch that could be used for storage as well. This product again comes with a sturdy thick cardboard box that can be used to store away the storyboard notebooks that have been used. The outside is black, which has been beautifully embossed with gold and silver and proudly displays the name of the product and the contents, the city of design, and the country of origin. Now, may I add that Endless has chosen to display the name of the city as Madras, which sparks old memories in minds of many. The same has now been renamed to Chennai many years ago. The product name find mention on the side also for easy identification on bookshelf. And on the back, you can find the details of the contents, the details of the products, the size dimensions. And for those who care, the product is mentioned to be acid free. Here, may I mention that the dimensions of the sleeve are 8.1 by 5 by 7, and the dimension of the notebook is 7.5 by 5.1. Now, the inner tray can be pulled using this ribbon, which shows the product nestled inside, wrapped up in a printed rice paper, and then in a thank you note. It is a wrap that doubles up as an instruction guide also. Now, this product can be registered to prevent duplicacy and faking. Also, there is a small cardboard pack within it, which has a transparent slit that houses an open pen loop that is a standard offering with it. Now, this leather sleeve comes with a storyboard large 68 GSM notebook with dotted print that has 64 pages. Now to the product. Let me get this out of the way first. There. Endless Explorer is basically this assembly of caramel colored, soft leather sleeve that can accommodate up till 3 of these notebooks. This retails on the website for 2500 rupees. The storyboard large notebook, one of which is already shipped along with the sleeve, can also be bought separately for about 450 rupees. Now, there is also an option of a closed pen loop available on the website for rupees 700, while you already get one open pen loop along with the product. The leather sleeve, as I mentioned, it's a lovely brown caramel color, and while it is soft cover, it still is decently thick to be both protective and at the same time stiff enough to resist any curling up while stowing away. The outside has smooth, while the inside has coarse grains. The surface patinas very well to distinctly and beautifully, pretty soon gives a weathered look. It has 4 strings, one of which is used to bind this cover, and 3 of them to hold the notebook once placed across the centerfold. There. The pen loop is a thick elastic band on the front of which are 2 round-edged leather pads sewn together with another elastic loop in front for holding the pen. This also bears the logo of Endless, which can also be seen along with the name of the company on the back. The pen loop can comfortably hold a medium-sized pen, and in this case, I've got a Kenwright Heritage, which is pretty. The dimension-wise, it's similar to Aurora, and you can see that it holds it pretty well. So what do I like about the product? Well, the leather cover is beautiful, brown toned, adequately thick, as I said, and houses up till 3 notebooks. The pen loop is a great added useful feature. The branding on the cover is minimal, giving the product adequate breathing space. Both the journal and the sleeve open flat on the table, may I add, which is Very beautiful thing. Many a times this doesn't happen with many products. Now the tray also doubles up as a storage of notebooks, and the storyboard themselves are 68 TR68 papers, which is pretty nice for fountain pens, and they are probably amongst the best out there till stock last. That is the way things are going. What I don't like, the pricing to few may seem to be on a higher side, but I think you don't find many similar products at a price band which is usually higher than what you're getting on this. This is unlikely that you will be able to use any other notebook on this, as storyboard dimensions are pretty uniquely cut. And overall, this is an impressive product that I feel soon will become a favorite and a bestseller. May I add my thanks to Mr. Aditya Bhansali for sending this product for review. The link for the retail of the product for purchase will be in the description below. I hope you have a nice time. Stay safe, people, and I'll gladly see you soon.